Hello! Jen from 3D Universe here, working on a cool project that I've been wanting to do for a while for my van. I decided that I wanted to make a little planter for a succulent to live in, to take with me on my travels. So I did. I used my Mayku FormBox to make this cute little planter for my lovely new little friend who has yet to be named and will be traveling with me in my van. I've been thinking about this project for a while, trying to figure out how to do it. I decided to go for it and experiment and see what might work, and my first try worked. So I thought I would show you what I did, so in case you want to make one with your Mayku FormBox, or you want to start making cute little things like this and want to purchase a FormBox, you will know how I did it and you can make your own. First, I went to the thrift store and I found two glasses. This is a glass I got for, I believe, $1, and it's tapered so that when you do the forming, the base is wider than the top, so that it will slide out of the plastic more easily once you have made your mold. It was the exact right size for what I wanted. I also found this little votive candle holder for $1, and it has a nice flare at the bottom so that when I made the mold for this, it also popped out really easily. And it also fit perfectly inside the bigger one so that I can make the hole. So my $2 worth of thrift store find is now the form to make my mold for my finished product. I used the Mayku Pour Powder that came with my Mayku, and it's honestly amazing. I was really surprised at how beautiful and smooth my final product was when I pulled it out of the mold, and it was really fast. It hardens in 10 minutes. You can demold in 30 minutes, and within 24 hours it is completely dry and ready to go. I also went to my local art store and found some really pretty pigments to be able to mix into the powder to make this colored effect. It's just powder that you can pour into the powder and then you mix the water in, which will produce a really pretty color. I also used the Mayku cast sheets, the clear ones. So all I really needed for this project was some pigment, a couple of glass containers from the thrift store, and a nice little succulent plant to create a new home for. Let's get started and I will show you step by step what I did. So here we are in my van, hanging out, getting ready for my road trip, and this little sweetheart is going to go along with me. I am going to put her in here with my various items that I have made so far for my van for my trips. I have my planter, which will now live here on my laser cut shelf in the back below my vacuum formed mobile that I made for myself of my grandpa's fly fishing flies before he died. And with my 3D printed hooks to carry my stuff and hold my bags for my trip. Completed project. I am super excited and super happy to add this to my van, and I just wanted to thank you for coming along and subscribing to our channel, and I hope that you follow along with me on my adventures in making as I come up with more things that I want to add to my little space here in my van. Until then, thank you for following and subscribing, and make sure you check out our other videos of me learning to make stuff. I have been really enjoying this process. So, until next time, dance, 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 dance. Woo!